In my previous video, I showed you how to run Claude Code locally on your PC using Ollama model. But what if you have a low RAM, no dedicated GPU, and your computer sounds like a jet engine when you try to run local AI models? Today, I am going to show you a secret workaround to get unlimited 100% free Claude Code accessing using OpenRouter. This method runs entirely in the cloud, meaning it requires zero hardware, zero CPU, and costs absolutely nothing. Let's set it up. First, we need to install the official Claude Code CLI. Go to Anthropic documentation, grab the install command and paste it in your terminal and hit enter. Once it's finished, just type Claude version to make sure it is installed properly on your machine. If there is an issue, just let me know in the comment section and I will help you. Now, here is where the magic happens. Instead of authenticating with a paid Anthropic account, we are going to reroute the API. Go to openrouter.ai, head over the setting and generate a new API key. Call it test or whatever you want and copy the key. Now, go to OpenRouter model page, go to the pricing filter and set to strictly free. OpenRouter actually hosts incredible powerful models like NVIDIA open source models or Ollama 3 completely for free. Find one you like and copy the model. I'm going to use Qwen 3.6. Now for the magic trick. Go to your folder and open the terminal. Here, click and paste this code. As you can see, I will provide this all code in the description. What you have to do is just change this API key and also the model what you want to use. Okay, now hit enter. What this do is it will change the Claude server to use this model instead of Sonnet 4.6. Okay, now write Claude. After that, when you hit enter, you can see here it asks to use this Anthropic API key. Do you want to use this API key or not? So I will do yes. Now as you can see, instead of Sonnet it shows Qwen 3.6. Now what I will do is write a prompt. So the prompt will be create a HTML file with a navbar and hero section with styling. Now hit enter. When you hit enter, you can see there is analyzing or thinking is going on, and it thought for some time because it's already working. Now just we have to wait for a little bit. So finally, as you can see, the code is ready, and now it asks to create index.html file and paste this code. So what I will do is click yes. Now here you can see there is an index.html file created. So let's test it out. Click here and open with live server. Here you can see this is the design it created. Now here look at this. It looks good and fantastic because we have tried Ollama model and the design it created is far better than the Ollama created. And let's check the responsiveness as well. So here click here and look at this. There is some issues like where the links gone because there is no hamburger menu as well, but after some design or animation we can just fix that. So yeah, this works well. So I hope you like the video, and I already show you the demo explanation and everything. So if you have anything in issue or so if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section and I will try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you and happy coding.